Synthetic division. So a polynomial function arranged in descending powers of x may be expressed in nested form and then evaluated using synthetic division. Synthetic division is a method of performing long division with less writing, fewer calculations, and simpler arithmetic. There are 3 steps to applying synthetic division. Firstly, we need to arrange in descending powers of x, including all powers, so any missing powers need a coefficient of 0. We need to put it in nested form, and then we can use it to evaluate our polynomial. So in the first example, we're going to evaluate f of 3, where f of x equals 4 minus 3x plus 2x squared minus x to the power of 4. So the first thing we need to do is put it in descending powers of x, including all powers. So we're going to rewrite it as f of x equals, and our highest power is negative x to the power of 4. There's no x cubed term, so we're going to write that with a coefficient of 0 as 0x cubed. Then our next power is plus 2x squared. And then we're going to write our negative 3x and a positive 4 at the end. And so we have a degree 4 polynomial. Next, we need to draw our grid. And we need to put the coefficients of our powers of x inside our nest. So the power of our x to the power of 4 term is negative 1. Our x cubed term is 0. Our x squared term is 2. Our x term is negative 3. And our constant term is 4. Then we want to evaluate f of 3. So our 3 is what goes outside our nest. And so we're going to write the 3 in here. So the next thing we need to do is we need to bring down our negative 1. And then we're going to multiply it by the number outside of our nest, the 3. And 3 times negative 1 is going to give us negative 3. Now we need to add the 0 and the negative 3 together to give us a negative 3. And we're going to multiply that negative 3 by the 3 outside our nest again, giving us negative 9. Again, we're going to add down the column, so 2 plus negative 9 is going to give us negative 7. We multiply that negative 7 by the 3, giving us negative 21. We're going to add that negative 21 onto the negative 3, giving us negative 24. And we're going to multiply that negative 24 by the 3, which is going to give us negative 72. And when we add the 4 plus negative 72, we're going to get negative 68. And that is our evaluation using synthetic division of f of 3, which equals negative 68.